Hi, I'm Inu-sensei. Today's video is all about shopping and convenience stores in Japan. By the end, you'll have 3 phrases that cover almost every situation, from finding what you need, to ordering the right amount, to handling moments when you just don't understand. Let's go. First phrase is Arimasu ka. The formula: point at something or just say the item name and add Arimasu ka. That's do you have.
フリー Wi-Fi ありますか？
英語のメニューありますか？
傘ありますか？
大きいサイズありますか？
You're in a clothing store. You found something you like, then the staff walks up and asks you something, and you have no idea what they said. If you need a different size, or if you'd like to try it on, it's helpful, but if you can't catch it, don't panic. Just say, Wakarimasen. It means, I don't understand. Honest, simple, and totally fine to say. Add sumimasen first. Sumimasen, wakarimasen. Most staff will immediately switch to gestures or show you options visually. Wakarimasen works anywhere, not just in shops, at a ticket machine, at a hotel check-in, at a restaurant. Anytime you don't understand, this is your phrase. Third phrase, actually a set of phrases. You've found what you want, now you need to say how many. In Japanese, counting things is different from counting numbers. Here's the series you need. When buying things, use the Hitotsu series, 1 through 5. Hitotsu, Futatsu, Mitsu, Yotsu, Itsutsu. At a food stall, Hitotsu kudasai, 1 please. Futatsu kudasai, 2 please. At a souvenir shop, same thing, just swap the number. Quick combo, kore arimasu ka first. Do you have this? Then, if they do, Futatsu kudasai, 2 please.
たこ焼き2つください。
3 phrases, 1 full shopping day in Japan. Arimasu ka to find what you need, Wakarimasen when you don't understand, and Hitotsu Futatsu to order the right amount.
わかりません。英語のメニューありますか？2つください。
傘ありますか？
大きいサイズありますか？
フリー Wi-Fi ありますか？
たこ焼き2つください。
Save this video and use them. Subscribe for more survival Japanese.